Hey guys, welcome back to the New England Scrapper. Today I'm just going to do a quick video, probably like a two minute video maybe, on how to scrap out a keyboard. So, to save time, and because I only have one hand to do this with, I already, took out all the screws, opened it up. So the first thing you're going to get is, something like this, your keyboard setup. So this, trash, or plastic recycling if you have one. Next, you're going to get this thing here. Again, it's trash. I have no idea what it is. It's like a silicon piece. Then, some scrap steel. You're going to get this here, which is a keyboard mylar. So there's silver plating in these. Your board buyer might buy them, or you could do them for silver recovery, so that goes there with the rest of the stuff to go get put away. And this one's a battery-powered one, so you're not going to get as much. Actually, there's more cabling in this one than a non-battery-powered one. So, a low-grade or no-grade board with some crystals on it, and just some mid-grade wiring. So, let's cut that. I'll probably take the crystals off this just because it's not really worth it. I like to do it, so I'll take those off later. And then mid-grade wiring. So, thanks for watching. See you guys next week.